So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a photo collage on on Canva. So you just want to open the Canva website and go to the search tab and search for collage right there, and you'll end up on this page, and this page will show you lots and lots of free templates. And although most of them are free, there is some paid ones, and in order to check if they're paid, we are just going to open up any template. It doesn't really matter, because once you open this template up, you will end up on the editor. And once you're here in the editor, on the left you can see all the templates and see that these are free. So the ones where there is a free button at the bottom right corner of the template are free, and the ones that don't have it, just like this, are paid. So as you can see, if you go to download, this will cost €3. So yeah, we are just going to for example select this simple one, and in order to change these different photos, we want to go to the left on the editor, right here, click on uploads, and I currently have just some random pictures on my PC uploaded. This just does not make any sense for this theme whatsoever, but yeah, this was just, I opened this up real quick just to show you guys how it works. So what you want to do, if you want this photo for example, you are going to hold it and drag it onto this photo right here, and that will just import the photo. So just like this and this and this and that, see, it immediately changes it up. And yeah, just that's how you can do it. You can also just change the name, of course. So we're going to change to how to digital, and then you can also add a slogan or something right here. And yeah, that's basically it. So once you are completely done with editing your collage, and everything is fine and you like it, you want to click on download at the top right corner. And currently the file type is set on PNG, and it says suggested, so I do recommend leaving it on the suggested file type, but you can also just change it to JPEG, PDF, or PDF print, but that is totally up to you. And just click on download, and now it says preparing your design. You just have to wait a few seconds, and as you can see, it has been downloaded. So we're going to open this up, and as you can see, it has now been opened up. And yeah, it looks how we have just made it. So that's basically it. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.